When two experts in the fields join forces, you know you're getting a quality product. For example, CLAAS and Liebherr, who are leaders in the agriculture and construction sectors respectively, put their heads together about 5 years ago to create the CLAAS Torion range of wheel loaders, which have been very well received in the global market so far. And now, the range is available down under. CLAAS is introducing 3 models into the Australian market, namely the 1913, 1611 and 1611P, the latter of which was on display at the recent Henty machinery field days.
So basically what the model number is our operating weight of 16 tonne and then safe articulated of 11 tonne. We've done an evaluation with roughly around the 600 hours with the 2 machines we've had operating in Australia now for almost the 12 months. So yeah, we're excited now to release them to our public.
The Torion wheel loaders are powered by a John Deere 6.8 litre engine positioned at the rear of the loader, which also acts as a counterweight to offer stability.
Our centre of gravity is quite far to the back of the machine. So our cooling system is behind the cab, which has always got clean air, and so our air intake is clean, but also our engine cooling, hydraulic cooling is always getting fresh, not dusty, disturbed air. So on the largest range we have on the 1913, that one's unique that it has a Liebherr 4-cylinder engine in that it's 7 litre, so it's quite a large capacity engine.
Inside the cab are plenty of smart features, including a multifunction joystick lever, which can be programmed accordingly for a smooth and efficient operation.
If we were to have a bucket, we can pre-program our lower limit, our upper limit, our tip in limit, and by pressing a button it can all return back to the dig motion in one operation. We also have a feature where we can program and have a maximum speed, so we can set on the computer and control our maximum speed, so we can use our engine RPM then to make sure that we've got quick operations of our hydraulic system, but maximising our maximum speed that we're in.
A spacious, air-conditioned cab ensures operators can work all day in comfort.
On the front of the machine we run a ISO headstock, so compatible with a lot of other brands that run the same ISO headstock. And then attachment-wise, we'll be using local companies to supply attachments. So whether it's a GP bucket, a light material handling bucket for grain and light products, an end tip bucket, so it gives us a high tipping over trucks, silage forks, hay forks, pellet forks, they're all going to be available. We've got 5 machines, most of those are about to arrive into Australia, but we'll have machines that are arriving next week that we'll have available for sale.